Hello my friends and welcome back. Alright, cheesy pizza muffins. Okay, get your 6-hole Texas muffin. Butter, flour, tap it out, it's grease ready to go. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. And you want to get yourself a bowl and you want to have 2.5 cups of self-raising flour sifted. Alright, you want to put 1 tablespoon of basil. Now if you're using fresh basil, you put 2 tablespoons. But if you're using a dry one, put 1 teaspoon. I'll put the recipe down below as always. So teaspoon of basil, teaspoon of rosemary, or 2 tablespoons of fresh rosemary. Alright, just give them a quick little mixing. These are so easy folks and really yummy. Okay, then you want to chuck in 1 egg already beaten. 1 1/4 cups of milk. 1/3 cup of good quality olive oil. Now I'm putting in 1/2 cup of bacon pieces cut really small. Now if you don't want meat in there, you can swap that out for 1/2 cup of olives cut up. Now if you like olives and you want to add olives as well, you can do 1/4 cup of olives as well as the bacon, as long as you cut them really small. If you haven't got bacon, ham's also yummy, and you can even do chicken ones I suppose if you wanted to. Now I'm using 1/4 cup of sun-dried tomatoes. Now these ones, I finally found them, so if you haven't bought the sun-dried tomatoes before, if you go down the aisle that does all the jarred pickles and onions and all the sauces and that, you'll find your sun-dried tomatoes there. So you just get them out, and what I did is I just put them on 2 pieces of toweling, paper toweling, and patted them out a bit and got a lot of the oil out, and then chopped them up. Alright, so 1/4 cup sun-dried tomatoes. Now for the cheese, I ended up using, I can't remember what was the cheeses. Like I said, it's a 1/2 cup, I think. Alright, there's a 1/2 cup of coarsely grated cheese. So I've just got the perfect pizza one, and I'm going to use that one tonight. But if you've got your coon cheese or any other cheese, doesn't matter, just grate it up. And then you also need a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, grated up as well. Okay, once all your ingredients are in, oh yeah, good on there. Mix it all up. I think these go in between 20 and 25 minutes. I'll let you know exactly how long, but every oven's different. So 200 degrees Celsius. I've got an electric oven, so it cooks a lot quicker. Pain in the ass, really. So you want to just mix it in, but being a muffin, you don't want to mix it in too much. Just make sure it's all in there. Beautiful. Alrighty folks, get your muffin tray out. Once they're all in, get a little bit more cheese and sprinkle it over the top, and then whack them in your oven. Okay my friends, alright, they took 25 minutes and I've left them out here to sit for 5 minutes. So these are best eaten hot. Look at that. I can smell that sun-dried tomato stuff. It smells amazing. Oh, beautiful. Nice savoury muffin. Wow. And then basically plate them up. So of course we're going to have to break one open, see how they went. Alright, we're ready for this? Oh, look at that. How soft and yummy does that look? Oh, mate. There we go, hey? Try a piece. Yeah, good. Yep, definitely give it a crack. Change things around. Do whatever you want. Mix it all up a bit. Thanks heaps for watching, eh? And have yourselves a great night. Bye.